This is a bit of a trial run, but I've decided to create artifacts on my own local system. Now, my computer is a Mac 3 with 64 gigabytes of VRAM. I am very lucky that my work has provided this to me, thank you. And I can now run large language models like Nemotron, and I have wanted this evening to make this, which would take my prompt, which is, hello, can you make a web page for me that has 3 buttons? One button changes the color of the web page, the next changes the text of the buttons, and the third button jumbles the 3 buttons around so that they switch places. Now, I cannot tell you how long this is going to take. It took a little while for it to warm up and for it to run, and I'm just going to swap over to my terminal and just check that it's still functioning. It seems to be, and in a moment or two, we shall see if I've actually successfully created an artifacts window for me to be able to use. Now, while we're waiting for that, let me talk about my opinions on using a Mac versus a PC. I am 100% a PC user. I've never used a Mac before in my life. I've actually touched the mouse and gotten confused. I don't know why they make the mouse the way they make, but when it comes to hardware and operating system and the way it's all laid out, I'm actually beginning to enjoy it a bit. I like how it's all laid out in some ways. I do find some things very frustrating, like just creating a text, like a notepad. It seems like I have to open up a text window and then save that thing to where I want to afterwards. The recent folder also confuses me a little bit. I ended up deleting a bunch of files out of there and realized that they were actually deleted across the board. Oh yeah, here we go. So it ran. So change color. Hey, there we go. Change text. Hey, new color. Alter me. Rearrange us. Hey, it's rearranged. Okay. Oh, so new color. So technically, this is artifacts run locally on my own system, and I'm quite happy that I had this idea. So, and I told it to like give me 2 separate prompts. One was, hey, a prompt for messages to the user, and the other one was a prompt to an iframe hosting it and then reload the web page. And I don't know how can I prove that I'm using Nemotron, but I'm using Nemotron, trust me, okay? I'm running it locally on this Mac, and that's why I have the background behind me, because I haven't figured out how to remove that and get my head only on the screen. I will look at that later. So, anywho, thank you, and see you again. I can post the code if somebody asks for it. Bye.